Hello. Hello. Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pranavi and Mamta ki beti for joining in. What's your name?
हाँ, एक मिनट आपको नेम
What's your name, beta?
परिधि
Pari.
परिधि
Paridhi.
भविष्य
Paridhi, boundaries meaning?
yes
Oh,
ये
wonderful, wonderful. So you're
but
also accompanying your mom to read the book?
she was about to check the WhatsApp for the homework.
इस टाइम पे अब होमवर्क चेक हो रहा है?
एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर रही थी कि कुछ मिस तो नहीं हो गया.
Okay, okay.
एंड परिधि का मीनिंग एक चीज और भी होती है. आई वन ऑफ माय सर टोल्ड मी कि जब हम जोत जगाते हैं ना, तो जोत की जो लॉ आउटर साइड पोर्शन होता है, जो उसका जब जोत जगा के जो लॉ जगती है बेसिकली
हाँ,
दैट थिंग. तो प्रणवी मैम वाज सेइंग राइट कि बाउंड्री तो बट इसमें वो उन्होंने इसको सिंबलाइज किया हुआ है.
Oh, wow. Wow.
That's very nice, amazing.
थैंक
Amazing.
यू
Yeah,
मैम.
Mamta, you can call me Pranavi. Pranavi, ma'am, it's sounding so formal and I'm not liking that. So,
ओके डन.
yeah.
And when we are in a family, even if you feel that somebody is elder to you, you can call her T. Anna.
Yeah.
All right. Chalo. Let's start reading. Let me quickly start sharing the book. And by the way, just for you all to know, today what we are going to read is Merging Your Individual Thoughts with the Universal Mind. That is what we are reading today. Hey, Ram, where is the book? Just a minute, give me a minute. Huh? I'm so sorry about this. Fine. Is the book visible to you?
Not much. ठीक है. Okay, types.
Now it's good.
Better. Yeah, good.
Chalo. Merging your individual thoughts with the universal mind. What do you think कि इसका क्या मतलब होगा? Merging your individual thoughts. So आपके individual thoughts हैं with the universal mind.
When we try to connect the things, from that point of, matlab, from the other perspective, wherein we find each and everything connected with as a guidance from the universe, you can say, and we are accepting the
everything as it comes to us.
Well said. Very well said. And Pranavi, would you like to,
Yeah,
uh,
it's like it's the complete union of your thoughts with the universe. That's
Madhukar?
Exactly.
yeah,
I love
in
how
similar.
Pranavi, ends the things just in with one sentence. Okay, this is my understanding. I don't know Malayalam.
Yes,
Yeah.
very crisp and clear.
I don't know, but I mean, in shortcut, I have told. Thank you anyway.
This is also an art. No, no, not everyone is having this kind of quality. I always think कि मेरे में ऐसी चीज आए, कि rather than creating a story, I should brief it into one sentence kind of thing. But वो जल्दी से होता नहीं है.
Hmm. But वैसे तो it's okay, Mamta. Reason being, we being coaches, so I think we have to elaborate things a little more for people to understand it even more nicely, right?
From that point of
It's
view is
okay.
okay because I'm a kind of introvert person and मुझे ऐसे लगता है फिर मैं ज्यादा देर conversation को बढ़ाऊंगी कैसे. But
हाँ,
you have given me a good thought.
to a lot of people, very elaborately. But this platform in fact is helping me to expand my thoughts. कि इतने में नहीं खत्म करना, थोड़ा सा फैला के बोलो.
Hmm.
But I love the, beautiful art that Pranavi has.
Oh, I
Let's
never knew that it was an art. It was just my trait, and I feel at times ki, I should be more clear and elaborative when needed. So yeah, that art I can learn from you as well.
right. Chalo, let's start reading. Merging your individual thoughts with the universal mind. Our individual thoughts create a prototype in the universal mind of intention. You and your power of intention are not separate. So when you form a thought within you that's commensurate with spirit, you form a spiritual protocol. मेरी
Prototype. मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ पढ़ लो, मेरे को दिखाई ही नहीं दे रहा, पता नहीं मेरी स्क्रीन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई है.
Okay.
I'm actually
Spiritual
trying to
prototype.
find in Kindle also. It's which page number it is?
In the book, it is page number 18.
18. Oh my God.
One
Which
page.
chapter it is by the, I mean,
It's
second.
chapter 1. It's chapter 1. We are going to end chapter 1 today.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, dear. And sorry to disturb
Okay.
you, Mamata. Please go ahead.
No problem. Spiritual prototype that connects you to intention and sets into motion the manifestation of your desires. Whatever you wish to accomplish is an existing fact already present in spirit. Eliminate from your mind thoughts of conditions, limitations, or the possibility of it not manifesting. If left undisturbed in your mind and in the mind of intention simultaneously, it will germinate into reality in the physical world.
Wow, isn't that so beautifully said? And I have heard in somebody's session as well that, whatever idea you are having of achieving, you are getting that idea only because you can actually achieve it. And this also is, saying somewhere somewhat like this, something like that only. Whatever you wish to accomplish is an existing fact already present in the spirit. And it is actually inside of you as well. Otherwise, not everybody is seeing the same, goals as you are aspiring to achieve. And why are you getting that idea? That idea is generated through the universal energies, through you to accomplish, because the universal energy actually knows that you are the one who can accomplish it. There are times when I used to, say कि मुझको तो बच्चे इतने कोई खास पसंद भी नहीं थे, and भगवान ने मुझे ही 3 बच्चे दे दिए. And I still remember my mom telling me, you could handle 3 kids, that's why you have been blessed with 3 kids. Not everybody can. I was like, oh wow. Now this one also, is suggesting something around that only. So it's like, wow.
In
Pranavi,
simpler words,
Yeah.
okay.
do you want to share anything?
No, but then I was ready to read. But then, Mamta, you please continue. I got the page in the Kindle. So, whenever you feel bored or something like that, then I can go ahead with the reading.
Sure.
Yeah.
In simpler words, all things whatsoever ye pray and ask for, believe that ye have. ये की जगह वी नहीं होना चाहिए था.
It is
Okay.
from this, I think, some Bible.
Okay. Believe that ye have received them and ye shall receive them. In this scriptural quotation, you are told to believe that your desire has already been fulfilled and then it will be accomplished. Know that your thought or prayer is already here. Remove all the doubt so that you can create a harmonious thought with the universal mind or intention. When you know this beyond doubt, it will be realized in the future. This is the power of intention at work.
So abhi, just before I entered this room, I was into a session wherein this girl, she was coaching on this only, how we have lack of belief in ourselves, because of which we are unable to achieve most of the things. And in fact, why we should believe whatever we are thinking is because it is not through us, but it is by us that it is happening. So God is putting, if अगर आपको लगे कि आपको आपके थ्रू भगवान ने कोई काम करवाना है, तो that is why you are being given that idea. और अगर भगवान करवाना चाह रहा है तो who can stop you to achieve it? But we being mediocre, we being we do not have that wisdom, I would say, जिसके through we can understand कि it is not us who are planning and plotting all of these things, and we think कि नहीं यार ये कैसे होगा. We keep on questioning कि यार ये सोच तो लिया पर होगा कैसे, and because of which we play at an identity level that is very low. And the first base to achieve anything is to work on your own identity. And how will that happen? When you start trusting कि हाँ जो है, and go all out. All right, let's continue. If you wish to share anything, please raise your hand, because आज ममता पढ़ रही है, मैं तो बस मेरे जो दिल में आ रहा है वो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ after every paragraph.
I am fully agree on this, Karishma, because at times when I feel like I don't have any direction now, I am, blank, and I feel like कि अब stagnant हो गया, saturation point आ गया है, अब मुझे करना क्या है again से, because many of the times, it happens on a frequent basis. So there and then, somehow, क्योंकि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे किसी को काउंसल करके बहुत अच्छा फील होता है, सो कहीं ना कोई फिर जब ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है ना, एंड आई फील लाइक कि अब तो बस अब खत्म है ना, तो कोई ना कोई उस टाइम पे आ ही जाता है, एंड फिर मुझे 1.5 2 आवर का सेशन, मतलब चाहे नॉर्मल भी मैं दे रही हूँ बट उसके बाद चार्ज अप हो जाती हूँ, फिर मेरी गाड़ी फिर से आगे चल पड़ती है. इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट बाय गॉड ग्रेस. And the same thing has happened experience today also. So that's why I'm very much, although it was a very, very, very hectic day, very, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा वाला, but still I am like fresh, completely fresh at this point of time.
Wonderful, wonderful. And I was
Yeah.
in a real thinking कि हाय आज मेरा book reading club cancel हो गया. I don't like canceling any of the sessions, because this is something which I get actual energy from. I feel that I have started the book reading club. इसके बाद मेरा पढ़ाई का ही टाइम है, बस 1 घंटा बच्चों को खाना वाना दे दो और पढ़ने बैठ जाओ. And if that is not starting, तो I'm like पूरा दिन मैं इंतजार करती रहूंगी अब 10 बजेगा कि 10 बजेगी, मेरे में एनर्जी आ जाएगी, then I'll sit and study.
I understand, but ठीक है, देखो ना, अकाउंट में पैसे आने के लिए वो तथास्तु भी तो चाहिए था आज,
Yeah.
है ना, so take it positive.
Chalo, let's go ahead.
चलो. I'll close this section with the words from Aldous Huxley, one of my favorite authors. The spiritual journey does not consist in arriving at a new destination where a person gains what he did not have or becomes what he is not. It consists in the dissipation of one's own ignorance concerning oneself and life, and the gradual growth of that understanding, which begins the spiritual awakening. The finding of God is a coming to oneself. In this first chapter, I've asked you to stop doubting the existence of a universal, omnipresent force, and I have called intention and told you that you can link to and be carried to your destination on the energy of intention. Here are my suggestions for putting this to work in your life. So, Pranavi ma'am, you can please continue.
Yeah, Mamta, I just wanted to make you to repeat again that it's Pranavi, not Pranavi, ma'am.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Pranavi, please continue.
Yeah. 5 suggestions for implementing the ideas in this chapter. Whenever you feel out of sorts, lost, or even in a sore mood, visualize the trolley strap hanging down from the field of intention 3 or 4 feet above your head. Imagine floating up and allowing the trolley to carry you to your built in intention. This is a tool for implementing surrender in your life. Say the word intent or intention repeatedly when you are in a state of anxiety or when everything around you seems to have conspired to keep you from your mission. This is a reminder to be peaceful and calm. Intention is spirit, and spirit is silently blissful. Tell yourself that you have a life mission and a silent partner who is accessible at any moment you choose. When ego defines you by what you have or do or compare you to others, use your power of free will to terminate those thoughts. Say to yourself, I am here on a purpose. I can accomplish anything I desire and do it by being in harmony with the all pervading creative force in the universe. I repeat, say to yourself, I'm here on a purpose. I can accomplish anything I desire, and I do it by being in harmony with all pervading creative force in the universe. This will become an automatic way of responding to life. Synchronistic results will begin to happen. Act as if anything you desire is already here. Believe that all that you seek you have already received, that it exists in spirit, and know you shall have your desires filled. One of my 10 secrets for success and inner peace is to treat yourself as if you already are what you would like to become. Copy the ancient Hasidic saying and carry it with you for a year. It's a reminder of the power of intention and how it can work for you every day in every way. When you walk across the fields with your mind pure and holy, then from all the stones and all growing things and all animals, the sparks of their soul come out and cling to you, and then they are purified and become a holy fire in you. Yeah, any discussions or
I think this is a very good closure to the book, to the first chapter. The points of implementation has been suggested by the author, and I would love to understand from each one of you what is that one takeaway that you will take from this chapter ahead. We have been very beautifully given 5 takeaways here. What is that one thing that will take from this chapter ahead that you commit to come back to the learning of this chapter? For me, if you ask me, it would be, visualizing the trolley ka strap. Because for me, it is not trolley ka strap, it is a hand holding that I would take forward. Would you like to share yours, Pranavi?
Yeah, yours visualization concept is really good, Karishma, because what you told is like the moment you feel confused or something, if you try to hold to that trolley, it's again something like you are getting back to your power of intention. I mean, for what purpose you are born and something like that. And here he has used a kind of a word coined together that, he's asking you to repeat in order to break the confusion or the capricious minds, thoughts, and whatever, with one word, that is intent.
Again, yes.
And he's asking you to repeat again and again. So, whenever you are in confusion and when you are really want to connect back to that power of intention, he's asking you to repeat intent, which I really liked it. And as I have already repeated these words again for twice, like, you should always recover yourself. That, I mean, if you have a lot of confusions in your mind, you should again repeat to yourself that what is my purpose, and you should always feel that I can accomplish anything I desire. And this can be done when you're in harmony with the universe. So again and again you have to repeat the word intent, and again in depth, the intent is you are born with a purpose, that's for sure, that's for clarity given to you. So whenever you again try connecting back to your purpose, so all this hassles and all these things would get cleared away. So that I loved it.
Wonderful, wonderful. And to by the end of this book, I would love to, hear back again from you. Even I would like to, remember this learning till the end of the book or even beyond that, and stay with it. Why?
Yes.
Because reading is not, we are not merely reading now. There has to be some shift that needs to come in us through reading these books, right?
Yes.
So, when we discuss this towards the end of this book, I would love to hear this back again.
Yes, and anyhow, I have highlighted these all things. So yeah, I
Wonderful,
mean,
wonderful.
it's needed. Yeah.
All right, let's hear it from you, Mamta.
For me, today's chapter is extremely wonderful because I think the majorly everything is covered over here. That we should not, give more importance to our fears. And secondly, according to my experience, what I can, recall from this chapter is each and everything what I wanted to, do during my childhood, but I was not able to do much about that, right? Maybe that was not the right time, and each and everything I'm doing right now,
And what
right?
is that?
Because that was like to have a very good communication skills, right? Although by God grace, I was getting the platform and I was able to express myself, I was able to learn. But today, at this point of time, I am having each and everything to make me a better person for my future, right? And second, Abhi, in this chapter, there was a line na, that I am here on my purpose. I can accomplish anything I desire it, and so and so.
Yes, yes.
So this is the thing which really touched my heart because I feel ki I heard, I was part of one session of our Guru Dev Ji, and he was like ki if you are true and you are on your path, mind it, आपने पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखना, आगे इससे जो होगा बहुत अच्छा ही होगा. And you just need to trust that, and it is actually happening, by God grace. And it's just 2 months before I attended that session, and each every day is becoming a success path for me, I must say, right? And among the others who are connected to me as well. Today before the session I got a call from one of my dear friend, and she was saying, she was like, सबका फोन आया चलेगा, आपका फोन नहीं आया, मैं नहीं मतलब accept कर सकती. I said why? You have not checked my Instagram. मैंने कहा क्या है उसमें, I was slightly occupied since last week. तो मैंने कहा मैंने देखा ही नहीं है, सॉरी, मुझे पता है मुझे आपको कॉल करना था. She said नहीं, everything is okay, but you have not checked, you have not wished me so far. Please go check it, then come back to me.
Oh,
For me, she said, for me, your wishes are more important.
that's so sweet.
And I was like touched कि ठीक है यार, मतलब you never know कि आपने किसको
Hmm.
कैसे गाइडेंस दिया. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेनी ऑफ द टाइम्स आई फील लाइक कि मैं गाइडेंस दे देती हूँ, मुझे खुद ही नहीं याद रहता है मैंने क्या दिया.
Because that is
एंड
the divine talking through you, my sweetheart.
या एंड उसके पहले एक कॉल आया आज की डेट में ही. एंड शी वाज लाइक कि मैम आप सोच नहीं सकते कि मैं आज किसी काम पे गई, मतलब कुछ बाय करने गई थी अपनी डॉटर के लिए. और वहां पे देयर वाज दैट वेंडर, उसको जानता होगा, बट समहाउ उसने उसको कुछ ऑब्जर्व करके कुछ गाइडेंस दी. एंड कह रही है आप सोचो, कहती मैम आप ना बोलते हो तो योर वाइब अट्रैक्ट्स योर ट्राइब. मैंने कहा हाँ. तो कहती दिस इज समथिंग विच हैज हैपन टू मी एंड आई गॉट दिस मैसेज टुडे. सोचो क्या हो सकता है, उन्होंने क्या बोला होगा. मैंने कहा मेडिटेशन के लिए बोला होगा जो मैं तेरे को यूजुअली बोलती हूँ. शी सेड नो, आप मुझे हमेशा बोलते हो ना गायत्री मंत्र भी चैंट करना है. तो क्या उसने बोला कि मुझे उस वेंडर ने इसी चीज के लिए इंसिस्ट किया दैट हाउ पावरफुल दिस मंत्र इज एंड यू शुड चैंट इट रेगुलरली. So I was quite overwhelmed कि ठीक है यार. And I took it as a message for me also, क्योंकि somehow मैं अब उसको करना बीच में skip कर गई थी. And I feel like कि this message has come to me back that I should restart it.
And is
So
it that we
yes,
are also getting this message of doing Gayatri Mantra every day?
yes, because before your session, I was giving this message to my dear sister also, because she was slightly disappointed today for some reasons, because she was feeling like I'm not getting the path of my life or so. तो मैं उसको भी थोड़ा सा guidance दे रही थी उसमें. I talked to her for this thing, and now again we are talking. So I think from that particular vendor to that my client, then to my sister, then to me, and then to you.
Everybody is getting the same message.
Yes,
And
and
it
this
is
is
flowing through there, no? It is flowing through
Hmm.
there till here.
Yes,
अभी क्या
and
पता मैं रूम में जाऊं तो अपने बच्चों को बोलूं.
absolutely. And you know what? Every day I used to make 30 to 40 seconds ka video just to overcome from the fear of speaking. So उसमें भी फिर इस मैसेज के बाद मैंने यही वीडियो बनाई है.
Wow. Wonderful.
Right? Yes, and it is a very powerful mantra because it helps you to build up your confidence, to overcome from your fears, एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स. मतलब समटाइम्स हमें लगता है कि हमारी कंसंट्रेशन, ऑफ कोर्स फॉर द किड्स इट इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज उससे उनका कंसंट्रेशन लेवल बढ़ता है. सो एनी पर्सन हु इज फीलिंग लाइक कि मुझे कंसंट्रेशन का दिक्कत है, ओवर थिंकिंग, कंसंट्रेशन, डायरेक्शनलेस, तो उन सभी का दिस इज वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन बेसिकली.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that.
वेलकम.
Pranavi, do you want to share anything?
And nothing much for me. It's like my heart says, and I'll just do it. That's it. At times, I seriously don't know for what reason also I'm doing, but then after doing that particular purpose or whatever, I feel content from inside, and I'll just check, ki, am I feeling complete, whole or not? That's it.
Pranavi, I feel sometimes you have such a beautiful voice. Do you sing as well?
Yeah, I'm a Carnatic singer.
We would like to hear a song from you someday.
Yeah.
Chalo. We'll close today's session on this high note and let's finish this chapter. थोड़ा सा इसके पीछे रह गया था, I think. एक दो sentences कुछ तो. Let's complete that
Yeah.
and start tomorrow with the new chapter.
Yeah.
Right? Hmm.
In
All right.
yeah. In the next chapter, I describe how this field of intention might look, where you able to see it, and what the phases of intention look like. I will choose this chapter with another quotation from Carlos Castanda's teacher, Don John Mattis. The Spirit reveals itself to everyone with the same intensity and consistency. But only warriors are consistently attuned to such revelations. I repeat, the Spirit reveals itself to everyone with the same intensity and consistency. But only warriors are consistently attuned to such revelations. Readers and warriors alike proceed in the spirit of free will to access the power of intention.
Wow.
That's it.
Thank you. Thank you for reading Mamta and Pranavi today.
Yeah.
And the spirit reveals itself to everyone with the same intensity and consistency, but only warriors are consistently attuned to such revelations. It's like the frequency matching. When you are into a receptive mode and you get the right, you start receiving whatever is being showered upon you. रेडियो की फ्रीक्वेंसी हमेशा हर टाइम पे रहती है. देयर इज समथिंग प्लेइंग ऑन दैट. अनलेस एंड until you tune into that frequency, you cannot hear the song. Likewise, we need to tune ourselves into the right frequency to receive all the, whatever it is saying, the spirit reveals itself to everyone with the same intensity and consistency. वो अगर हमारे को actually revelations revelations चाहिए, तो we have to tune ourselves into that frequency. All right. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you once again for joining in. Have a good night's sleep and God bless you both.
It's actually half an hour reading session, huh, Karishma?
Yeah, we ended it in the
In
half
that
an
way.
hour.
Yeah. All right. Done.
And I don't want to start the new chapter in the middle of this session, so that when I'm putting on the YouTube also now. So when I put it on the YouTube, I'll have segregated the topics that we have discussed in every session. So it makes it easy for the person who wants to go back to watch the recording as well.
True.
So
Exactly.
that's why I keep, session short ho jaye, reading कम हो जाए, talk ज़्यादा हो जाए about the same topic is better than going to 3-4 topipics in the same day.
And this book should be taken a little slowly only, because it teaches something in depth. So yeah. All right.
Good night, girls.
Good night,
Okay, good
dearies.
night.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Good
God
night.
bless.